what are you up to today?
Hey, we're trying to locate a leak in an old existing porch deck, and as you can see, it's not just that, it's a few different things. So proper way of doing it is to start dissecting it to find out where we could have a place where it would leak from, and get everything cleaned up, and then we'll go from there. But these are various areas where it could come up. The flashing's not up high enough, as you can see. The siding is not secured properly, and that's all areas where it could leak from. So if you want to show, I'll show you how to get these deck boards up.
Awesome.
Jim does a good job explaining. You could be a teacher.
It's going to be either with nails or screws, or both in this case. So you want to use your pry bar, hammer, and after, as you can see, as you go along, you want to pull all your nails and screws so there's nothing left in there before you start cleaning up. So let me give you a shot and see, show you how it comes up. Put your crowbar in. And it don't always come up easy, but hopefully it will in this case. Oh, look at that one. See that? Sometimes you get lucky. Just go down the line. Just remove your boards.
Well, thank you, Jim. Appreciate you.
And we will continue this video as we progress, but this is the starting point of this.
Appreciate
Thanks.
it. Thank you.
He's good.